Good morning, students. You are welcome in Golden Future Public School online study of Class 8 History Chapter number 1 When, Where and How MCQ of Chapter 1. So let's start. First of all, question 1. Take the correct option. A. The medieval period in the history of India is between. The medieval period in the history of India is between 1st and 8th century, 8th and 18th century, 8th and 12th century. So our answer is 8th and 18th century. Next, B. The English East India Company was set up in. The English East India Company was set up in 1500, 1585, 1600. Our answer is 1600. Next, number C. Name the only Asian country which became an imperial power. Option number China, option number 2 Japan, option number 3 India. So our answer is Japan. Next, number D. In which year was Bengal Gazette published? Option number 1 1781, option number 2 1780 and option number 3 1880. Our answer is 1780. Next, number E. In which city is the Gateway of India located? Number 1 Mumbai, Kolkata and New Delhi. Our answer is Mumbai. Next, fill in the blanks. Number A. By the end of dash century, European overseas trade started bringing in profit. So our answer is 16th. Number B. The modern period in Indian history started from the dash century. 18th century. Number C. Sir Richard's film. We know Sir Richard's film Gandhi. So we fill here Gandhi. Includes an actual news reel of the Gandhi's visit to Manchester. Number D. The textile industry was the first to be. The textile industry was first to be machinized. Next, the steam engine of dash and dash. We know, dear student, James Watt and George Stephenson. So first of all we write here James Watt and George Stephenson. Now question number 3. State whether the following statements are true or false. Number A. The Dutch East India Company was set up in 1602. So our answer is right. So we write T for true. B. India was the only Asian country to become an imperial power. It is false. So we write here F. Now C. Textile industry was the first to be influenced by the Industrial Revolution. It is true. Next, number D. The process of acquiring colonies was known as a colonization. It is true. And number E. The word resonance signifies death. It is false. Now question number 4. Tick the right column. We have two options: archaeological sources, पुरातात्विक स्रोत and literary sources, लिखित स्रोत. Dear student, Gateway of India. We know Gateway of India is the archaeological sources, so we tick here. Next, survey. Survey is the literary sources. So here, Gandhi was name of film. Next, newspaper. Newspaper is also a literary sources. And number 5th, Victoria Memorial. It is a archaeological sources. We tick here. Next, student, answer the following question in 1 or 2 words. So answer the following. Number 5, question of 5. Answer the following question in 1 or 2 words. Number 1, what is the period before the 8th century called? 8वीं सदी से पहले के काल को क्या कहते हैं? एंशिएंट पीरियड. Ancient period. Number B, what is the period from 8th to 18th century called? We call it medieval period. Question C, which industry was the first to be influenced by the Industrial Revolution? The student, you know, textile industry. Textile industry. Now number D, name any 3 newspaper of the modern period. So dear student, name of 3 newspaper are Bengal Gazette. Bengal Gazette. Number 2, Tilak's Kesari. Tilak's Kesari. And Pioneer Madras Mail. Now question number E, which 2 countries established their colonies in Asia, Africa and Latin America? So dear student, our answer is Spain and Italy. We complete here. Our question answer is complete. So dear student, okay, see you again in next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.